Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In this video, I'm going to share with you that do it now that you can make a quick money actually with copy and paste to make money online in affiliate marketing. So I'm going to share with you and walk you through step by step each and every single thing right here on this method in this strategy that you can learn at the backside. You can earn a huge amount of money from that. Just keep watching the video till the end, and you at the end of this video you would be fully understand that how you can make money from this specific strategy directly from your home. Even you don't need to invest any single penny into that, and you don't need to have any skills or prior experience that you will have it and you can do. It is absolutely a copy and paste method that you can make money from this right away here now. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. Before starting the method, I would just request you to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. And if you want full training on making money online, getting passive income and working from home, then check out the first link in the description and you will learn each and everything step by step right there. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first thing is that you need to sign up with the Clickbank right here. Once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account and you can simply see here the interface right here that you will see all the products available right here. And a product you are interested in, we can simply click on that and you can start promoting. But basically we will use the e-business and e-marketing category by just clicking right here. So once we click on that, we will be visit to this page right here and we will see all the products available right here on this page right here. So we can simply choose any product we want. For example, we can simply choose this and this right here. The first product is get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, and then the second one is write app review, and click will system is the third one we can use. Live touch job is another one that we can simply use. So if you want to promote this offer right here, we can simply just click on this sales page and affiliate tools area right here, and we will be visit to this page right here. This is a free video that people can watch whenever we redirect people with our own special link. So they will redirect to this page right here and they can simply watch the video, which is really satisfying video, and then they can answer these three different questions or choose one of them, and then they can join the program. Whenever they join the program, we can earn the commission from them right here. So how we can promote, the main thing is that how we can have the proper traffic and the proper people that we can redirect them right here. And if you just go to the affiliate tools area right here, so they can provide as, for example, email swipe banners, which are the most important thing for promoting especially and pre-traffic sources right here. So they have these things for us right here. We can simply just click on the email swipe and we will be redirected to this page right here that we will have the different email swipe for absolutely free right here. So now it is time to go to the free topic that we can simply get. The free topic will be this website that it is coming. 89% are coming from the United States, which is the most of the traffic from the United States for absolutely free right here, and 4% from Canada. The only 1% and is from Dominican Republic and Bangladesh 1%, and then United Kingdom 0.45%. So we can just use this for our benefit, which is 9% of the traffic is coming from the United States right here. So how we can do that and how we can use it? First, we need to go to this website right here by just clicking, and we will be redirected to this page right here. We just need to click on the sign up button right here. Once we click on the sign up, we'll be visited to this page right here. We can simply just sign up through our Gmail account. Once we sign up, then we will be redirected to this page or log into our account. Once we log into our account, we can simply just add the post ad right here option we can simply click on that. Once we click, we will visit this page right here. Basically we will choose the post free ad right here. We can simply just click on that. Once we click, because these two options are paid options, we don't need to use them right here, so we can simply use the post free ad option, which is this one right here. We can simply choose. Once we choose that, then we can simply choose the country right here. So these are the different country. We can simply choose United States. Then from the United States, we can choose any category we want. For example, right here we can simply choose it right here. For example, we choose this North Carolina, and then we can simply select the city, something like that, or even you can simply choose the New York right here. So once we select that, then we can simply choose the state, and then we can simply select the main category. For the mail category, we can simply use the jobs right here because this is related to our niche. We can simply choose the job. Once we select that, then we can use the subcategory, for example, or the section right here, which will be sale management or something like that, or any other category, or education we can simply get right here. So we can simply click on education. So once we click on that, then we will be visited to this page right here, that we can simply add the title, description, our age, the location, our email address and phone number, and then add the image right here, and then click placing this ad. I agree term of use and privacy policies, and then click I'm not a robot. Then after that, continue. So for a quickly, I can simply add it for you that how it's work. So I just simply added the job page to chart on Facebook and Messenger. This is as a title. Here is the description, or long description is right here. I just simply add it right here, and I also add the link right here, which is I pasted from the link tree right here. I just paste the link tree, and I just simply tell the people that remove spaces to access the link right here, because if you use direct link right here, so your account will be banned and you will not able to promote your products right here on this website. So it's really a powerful website. We don't need to mess right here, so we can simply use the trick, which is this one, that you can simply give space right here to your link. Whenever people come and they were interested, so they can simply just copy your link and paste it in the browser and remove the space, and they will access into that. So that is simple like this. So I just fill out right here these things right here, and I also add the image right here. So how I did it, all these things, I just simply go to the sales page, sorry, the affiliate tools area right here. So I just simply open any one of these email right here. I simply just copy the title from here and the description for here. I just copy that and I add my affiliate link from the link tree right here, and then I simply just go to Google and just type make money online, and I just find it out this image and I just download it. So once I download, I re-upload right here. So I use this right here, each and everything is set up right here. So I can simply just click on this button, and then I'm not a robot. Once I click on that, I can simply click on the continue. So I just need to wait for a couple of seconds that just load it right here, my ad. So you can see here that placing ads. So my ad is going to be placed on this website for 30 days for absolutely free right here. And after 30 days, it will be expired, and I will have the option to renew as well right here on this page right here. So the more ads you have posted on this website, the more money you will generate from this website. And this is a targeted United States free traffic that you can simply see here for absolutely free right here. So your daily free ads posting limit over. Sorry for that, I just already posted my ads right here on this website, so that's why I will not be able to just post it today. So you can just try and you will have it. That's not a problem, because I have already posted my ad right here on this website. So I will not be able to do it again right here. So I can just simply try for the next day right here. I can simply go to my account right here. So I have already posted. So you can also do every single day. You can post one ad on this website and you can make a huge amount of money from this right here. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments. And if you want to have full training for making money online, getting passive income and working from home, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will be redirected to a page that you will see all the tips, tricks, bonuses, and each and everything for how to make money online, getting passive income, and a two-pillar system that will be available on this page right here, as you can simply see, and the link and the description. So you can simply just go there and click on that, and you will be redirected to a special page that you can learn the full training over there. So hope you like it and you are interested in that and take action on the method at the backside, see the result. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.